In this video, I'll show you how to automate a Slack message from Airtable. First, sign in to your Airtable account and open the base where you want the automation to run. Click Automations at the top of the page, then select Create Automation to begin. Next, choose a trigger that will start the workflow. For example, you can trigger the automation when a new record is created, when a record enters a specific view, or when a field is updated. Configure the trigger and run a quick test to make sure it's working correctly. After that, click Add Action and select Send a Slack message. If this is your first time using Slack with Airtable, you'll be prompted to connect your Slack workspace and authorize Airtable. Once connected, choose the channel or recipient, write your message, and insert any Airtable fields you want to include in the notification. Now, test the action to confirm the message is delivered to Slack with the correct information. Review the formatting and make any adjustments before saving the automation. Once everything looks good, run one final test to verify the complete workflow. Finally, turn the automation on to activate it. From now on, Airtable will automatically send a Slack message whenever the trigger conditions are met, helping your team stay updated without any manual work. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to automate a Slack message from Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.